In this video, we will learn how to insert star in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and you can see here in my custom tab PND take have a star option. A star for 5 points. Just click on it and drag anywhere to create your star. So this star option is not available in any Excel. You have to add these commands in customize ribbon. So let's see how it's done. So I just delete this and go to the file tab, click on the more option and here the customize ribbon option select. Okay. In customize ribbon in commands, just click on this drop down arrow and select the commands not in the ribbon. Okay. Then select any command and press the S for search star for 5 points. So I search here the star for 5 points. I got it. Now I add these commands in customize tab. So here I already create one command, the text zone. In text zone is custom. I just click on the new group of the text zone and click on the add the 5 star. So okay, star for 5 points. Okay, so just click on OK to add it. So in text zone you can see the star for 5 points is added. Now just click on it and drag anywhere you can create star. And if you want to do on this formatting on the star, when you add the star you can see the shape format tab also added here. You can use this formatting option to format your star. Okay, so click on the shape style. There are different styles available. You can select those you want. Shape fill, shape outline, shape effects also available. You can select those you want. So you can see here the reflection showing on shape. Other text field, text outline also available. If you enter the text here, so you can fill on your star. Okay, so this is a way you can insert star in your Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you.